Our new sight word today is the word the. Let's read our daily learning objective, our DLO. I'll read it first, then you'll repeat it after me. Today I will read and write the sight word the. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Today I will read and write the sight word the. Here's our new sight word, the, T-H-E. Let's read it, spell it, and read it 3 times. I'll go first. T-H-E, the. Now let's do it 3 times together. Ready, go. T-H-E, the. 2 more times. T-H-E, the. Last time. 1 more time. T-H-E, the. Before we learn the and use it in a sentence, let's review the words that we learned last week. We learned the word I. How do I spell I? Capital I. How do I spell I? Capital I. Let's listen to the song.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I is a letter and a word that's about me. Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
I use sentences all the time that start with I. I like the stars, I like to watch them in the sky. I means the same as me, it has 1 letter, look and see. Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I is a letter and a word that's about me. Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Good job. Put I right there. And our other word, like. L-I-K-E. Like. Let's listen to the song.
L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? I like the color blue. I like my new shoes too. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? I like to fly on planes. I like to ride on trains. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like?
Like. I'll put like over here. I'm going to try to put the sight words that we've learned in the past to the side here so you can still see them. If we're in our classroom, I have a big word wall. So when we get to come back to school, you'll see all the sight words on the word wall so you can use them all the time. Here's our new word, the, T-H-E. The is a special sight word because these first 2 letters, T-H, are a digraph. We'll learn about digraphs later, but digraphs are when 2 letters come together to make a new sound. And we just learned the letter T today, and T usually says T, but when it's together with the H, it's called a digraph. We'll talk about that much later, but that's why this is a true sight word because we cannot sound it out. If we sounded it out, it'd say tahae, tahae, or tahai. That's not a word. T-H-E, the. We have a new song, and the song is a little quicker, and it says T-H-E, T-H-E. That's how to spell the, you see. So let's listen to it. I won't sing it this time. We'll just listen. Number 20.
T-H-E, T-H-E, that's how to spell the, you see. We write the in sentences and read it in books too. I can spell the, how about you? T-H-E, T-H-E, a tricky word for you and me. We read and write the many times a day. T-H-E, hip hip, hooray!
good. So we'll sing that song tomorrow together. And the more we practice the songs, the easier it will be for you to read our sight words and remember them. All right, the word the. We have a new page today that you'll be working on. Go ahead and tear that off because we're going to be cutting and gluing the. We learned how to write T earlier today, so let me show you how to write the behind me on the lines right here. I need blue. Blue seems to be the best one. I'll start on the left because whenever we read and write, we begin on the left, so I'll start there. I'm going to write it so you can see and you can skywrite it, and then we'll go to our worksheet. The T, just like before, we started in the middle of the sky and the fence, down across the fence. H, we haven't learned H yet, but H starts at the sky, and it's down, hump. Watch me. Down, hump. My hump is at the fence. E. We've learned E when we wrote like. Over, up, and around the. I'll write it one more time. Get your best sky writing. Arm and finger. Ready, go. Down, across, T. H is down, hump. That's H. E. Over, up, and around the. Say the. Last time. Down, across the fence, T. Down, hump, H. E. Over, up, and around the. Now we're going to do our worksheet. At the top, don't forget to write your name. If you need someone to write it with the highlighter, if you're still practicing, that's okay. Write your name. So I'll scoot you up a little bit so you can see how I'm doing it up here. It's still a little bit further away. Let's scooch up a little bit more. That's better. So first we need to write your name. My name is Mrs. Hawkins. I have a capital M, Mrs. Hawkins. So if you need someone to write your name for you, use the highlighter, and then you need to get your pencil and trace over it. Now I've got my pencil, a nice pencil grip. First it says trace it. So I'm going to trace T-H-E. T-H-E. The. Now I need to write it. You can write it 2 times in this space. So start on the left so you have room to write the, finger space the. T-H-E. Finger space T-H-E. The and the. Now I need to build it. Get your scissors, cut all the way across. Carefully. You need to cut the frame, the little pieces all the way around. This makes it really, really easy to cut out the letters that we need to build the word the. Don't forget to throw your scraps in the trash. What's the first letter in the word the? T. We've got B, E, we're going to need that later. T, oh, there it is. All I need to do is cut it out. With T, I'm ready for my glue stick. When you push up your glue stick, it just needs to barely peek above it. If I go too far and then I try and glue, it'll squish and ruin the glue stick. So it just needs to go up just a smidgy. Turn over your T, give it a smudge, peeling them off. T, where does T go? First, it's the first letter. T, give it a little squish. T. What comes next? H. Is H in this little chunk? No. So let's look in the other one. I have E, U, H. There it is. Cut it out. Take your H, give it a little smudge. Put it right in the middle. That's the second letter. Last letter in the. T, H, E. I had 2 E's on my strip. I'll just cut this one out. Take your E, turn it over, give it a smudge of glue. Stick it on. Good. I'm all done with that. Put the lid back on your glue stick or else it will dry out and then you will have to throw it away. You don't want that. Next, I need to find the. T-H-E, T-H-E. That's how to spell the, you see. That's not the. Here it is. Nope, that's not it. Here we go. Found it again. Go through and find it. If you see a word that's not the, you can just give it a little cross off if you want. And then circle the. Every time you find it, give it a circle. Down here, it's time to use it in a sentence. I'll write it in highlighter so that you can see it a little better, and then I'll trace it. The sentence I'm going to use today is, I like the turtle. Turtles are little reptiles, and they're cute as buttons. Sometimes they can be small, sometimes they can be really big. I'm going to write, I like the turtle, because turtle begins with T, which is the new letter that we learned today, T. Starting on the left, I, how do I spell I? Capital I. Down, add a hat, add some feet. In between my sentence or my words, I need a finger space. I like. How do I spell like? L-I-K-E. L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? I like the, my new word the, finger space, the. Spell it with me. T-H-E. The. I like the. Now you're going to write turtle today. Turtle. T-t. What says t-t? T. Turtle. T. U. R. T. T. O. L. E. I like the turtle. I need punctuation at the end of my sentence to tell my reader that I'm done talking. I'm done writing. I could use a period, an exclamation mark. Let's see. We have periods that are dots. We have exclamation mark, exclamation point, sometimes they're called, which means I'm excited, or a question mark. Am I asking a question though? I like the turtle? Nope. Am I excited? I like the turtle! Nope, I don't need an exclamation mark. I just need a period. I like the turtle. And that's it. I'll put a period on the bottom, on the ground right there. And if you need help with it, don't forget, ask to use the highlighter. After you're done with your worksheet, you're going to get your Journeys workbook and turn to page 18. On this page, you're going to be writing the. Here's a name space. Don't forget to write your name. Here's the pencil. It says write. I like. You already know those words. You could read them. The. Don't forget to write the. And then it says there's a picture. Drum. After you write the, you can read the sentence. I like the drum. Don't forget to write the 2 more times. I like the trumpet. I like the piano. And after you're done with that, then you're all done for the day. Our new word is the. Let's read it and spell it one more time. The. T-H-E. The. Now it's your turn.